Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma today unveiled the foundation stone for the Shillong Ropeway Project, which was laid by President of India Draupadi Murmu on January 16th this year in presence of Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh. The plaque marking the ceremonial laying of foundation stone was unveiled at the project site, Shillong Peak View Point. During the function, the Chief Minister and Minister Tourism handed over the letter of acceptance to the construction firm KEC International Limited, Tatia Construction Limited JV, to officially begin the construction of the prestigious project, which is estimated to cost Rs 175 crore. Chief Minister lauded the stakeholders for completing necessary paperwork and official formalities for commencement of the project.
But we are really desiring to push this forward. Let us hope and see how this particular project moves forward, and then we will work towards seeing how we could make this also a part of urban transport. We feel that it could be one of the best ways for us to give an alternative transport mode to our people. Not an easy project, very, very complicated, very difficult, and of course expensive, but it will be a game changer in terms of the overall traffic scenario in our city.